Okay, Tim, what do you got there in your hand? You're going to show us out at the flying field today.
I am going
Does
to
it
shoot
fly?
your damn thing out of the sky.
You're going to shoot our airplanes?
Absolutely.
Our poor little airplanes?
There's no match for that. Well, I got a...
Show us what this thing is.
It's a Caltech Rem 30. Look at the sights on that. Ain't
This
that
is brand new. He's just brought this out to the field. He's bought it months ago and hasn't even fired it yet. So he's going to bring it out to the field and test fire it.
22 Magnum.
Wow. Well, show us what it'll do.
Safety's off. Got hot.
Damn! That's a lot louder than I expected. Whew.
Am I hitting that tree?
I don't know. Can't tell if he's hitting the tree or not. Try it again.
Ready?
I think you're missing the tree.
Oh, I must not be no good. Let me see. I can't be missing that tree. I hit it the first time. Wow. Man, my ear's ringing.
Yeah, I'm holding my left ear, not my right one. Tim forgot to warn us ahead of time he was bringing this so we could bring earplugs.
That's it.
All down now. He's broke now. He shot all his ammo.
I don't like that idea. I just thought that would have locked open. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, no. See, that's why, remember what I was telling you about hitting the clip?
There's still ammo in there.
Oh, jammed it. Why not do that?
Yeah, you can tell he's new at this. He just got this. He's got it all jammed up already. Just the way he flies airplanes.
Oh, yeah.
Did you jam the last one?
Well, remember I was telling you got to hit him?
Oh.
Because that's what I was watching on YouTube.
Right.
Yeah, so that's exactly what it'll do. I got to hold my ears. Oh, now I hit the tree and you didn't see it.
Aim right at that little black spot on there. I'm going to zoom right in on it. Don't see anything yet. I saw that leaf move. Tim wanted me to show you all that to prove that he really was hitting the tree and not missing. I think he was missing. I think them's the ones I shot and hit it. Tim's back there laughing at me.
Okay, this is what happens to the guy that don't mow the field the right way. We take his airplane and we make a weed eater out of it. And here's the guy.
Somebody else should be running it then, instead of me. This is how we mow the flying field. It's actually going pretty good. Yeah, it's mowing pretty good. It's blowing it all on me. Oh, don't worry about that.
Yeah, we don't care about that.
It does better when you have it straight. That's cut pretty good. It does take a long time to mow this way around, but it does make a nicer cut. It does make a mess though. Go all the grass all over me, Tim.
Come on, a little bit lower. Yeah, look at. He needs to come down this way, doesn't he?
No, we don't need that down there.
No, doing it in front of mine. That's what I get for video.
Okay, I'm done.
He'll be using that trim around
Now, next time you'll learn to cut the grass the right way.
I'll cut it all.
Jeez.
Then I'll have to wear it all.
glass all over him.
Oh, poor baby.
That was a good suggestion. Thank you.
I think that was great, don't you? That's the first time ever that
I don't remember this one.
So this one I had at the church.
Is it? Okay. Oh, okay. I remember now because it kept popping the front. Yeah, I kept doing that all the time.
Yeah.
Come on, buddy.
There's your car. Daddy, can I race your car?
That's two-wheel drive, isn't it, Andy?
Yeah.
It probably wasn't sturdy. They wasn't really that far out.
Oh, it's all right.
Most of them old guys, them old cabin.
Oops, where'd it go? Disappeared.
Don't touch nothing. I know.
It's got a servo loose and the flap came out. Oh yeah, that's working.
Sweet.
Thing running, Tim. That's what happens when he stands in the middle of the field. I guess you don't leave your plane out in the middle of the field. Tim will run it over. Yep. I'm coming out to help Bobby.
Okay, this is the kind of stupid stuff we do here at the flying field. This is the car driver. That's the plane driver.
We might be pulling the plane up with it.
That'd be funny. That would be funny. I would love to see
You
that.
should be out there in front of it. You're going to lose it real quick. Since he can't move very fast. Sure the camera's on?
It says red recording. Yeah, it's on.
Oh, that's because of your throttle on it. Might have to go real light on the throttle.
Come on, buddy.
That's kind of funny. It wasn't gonna stick.
I never thought of that. Maybe I should have had it so it set farther over the front.
I think it's not gonna stick. It just hit.
Jump.
It's hit.
Whoa, look at that. I couldn't get it off of it.
Come on.
Don't take it.
Lower. Oh, that was pretty good.
You're low, Larry.
Lower, faster.
I think that was just right.
Oh no! It pulls it off the ground. Reverse, Andy!
Oh, I should have throttled it real quick because it instantly pulled it off and put me. Oh, I should have throttled it real quick because it instantly pulled it off and flipped me down to the ground.
Yeah, you wasn't going fast enough to fly. You're gonna have to do throttle up elevator. Come here.
Maybe wait until he gets a little more speed.
You're gonna need a lot of elevator.
You gotta try lifting off after you get a little bit more speed. Yeah, it probably is. I seen it already coming off, so I decided to throttle out.
You need a release on it. Hey, you know what?
Yeah.
Tell him to put the 2 rear pins in and leave the front ones out.
But then what?
Well, it'll tip it off. It'll tip it. When it comes up, it'll tip the Velcro enough, it'll take come loose.
You think it will?
I'd probably break the holes out where the pins are at.
Oh, it'll break the body probably.
That's true.
Yeah.
I'm not going to wait very long this time.
Now the wind's coming from that way.
Full throttle and get going. Oh, well, the wind's back there now. Watch out. Make the turn and go this way now. The wind's coming from there. Oops. Yep.
No.
I think you're going to have to end up hooking the body back on.
We can take and cut the Velcro clear off your bottom of your airplane except one little piece.
Yeah.
Did you do that?
First tick. Damn little dirty things. That's what happens when going down in the woods. I don't think it's going to work with the body loose, but let's try it again.
Wind's coming from that way.
Yep.
Jeez, now it's starting to switch.
Is the body ahead of the CG?
It's right on it.
Huh?
It's right on the CG. I put
Now-
the Velcro right
Now it's coming from behind us.
I guess back over this way now. The wind's over here now.
Coming right off our back right now.
Holy cow.
Look at that. It's ready to bounce off already.
Just throw and see if you can fly with it. Andy, just throw, see if you can fly with it.
I doubt it.
At least I got it.
Try with the body on it.
I think. Oh,
Just like a element.
Oh, I thought it was going to do it over.
That's a good one.
You get that, Tim?
yes, I got it.
We hooked the body back on.
That was good. I tell you what, if the front end hadn't come up, I don't think it would have broke the Velcro. No, it was having trouble, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That was funny, though.
Are you done?
I don't know.
My,
Ready
arm,
for more?
my arm's getting tired.
Come on, Colin. Here, Colin.
Well, see my stepfather. They diagnosed him with Alzheimer's. He's 89, he'll be 90.
I didn't think it was going to get unhooked. I'm out of
Cigarettes, and he's in the hospital. Can't breathe.
You gotta be upside down.
So I gotta lay on my back?
Hey, you gotta stand on your head. I thought you were talking to Jeff, not me.
That's what I thought too. He was telling me I had to be upside down. Flung it right back off.
I stole his chair, so he stole yours.
Sorry, that's one cup.
There we go. Bob's new plane. Baby blender. Only he calls it the triple aces. And there's why. Got aces all over it.
Ace of hearts, ace of diamonds, and ace of spades.
This is going to be his first test flight here shortly.
See, I beefed this all up different.
Oh, good.
Oh yeah.
The landing gear kept going up through the wings,
Yep.
Talking about flying a brand new.
It's a lot stiffer.
so that's parts out of the old.
Hey, what you doing up there in the tree?
Get a good plane out.
Have to tell Bob to quit flying his plane into the trees.
Yeah.
They're too hard to get. It's easier when you got somebody young that can climb the tree.
Them branches wasn't there.
Ooh, you're getting close though. Wow, that's close. I suppose I should stop filming and stand out there and try to catch it. But I'd rather film it. Whoa!
Try to do that again.
That's amazing. He just knocked it out of the tree and it landed right in the crotch of that limb right there.
Yeah, his motor's right down to the right.
That's something. Where's the motor at?
Right there, right next to you.
Oh, yep, there it is.